If you can draw just 3 basic shapes in PowerPoint, you can actually build a fully animated speedometer. And in less than 3 minutes, we're going to turn those simple shapes into a smooth, fully functional speedometer animation. Let's begin by building the needle for our animated speedometer. Start by inserting 2 circles, a small one and a bigger one. Make sure both of them are perfectly aligned to the center. This is important for the animation to look smooth later. Next, insert a trapezoid and adjust its sides until it looks like a sharp, clean needle. Position this trapezoid exactly where you want your pointer to start from. Once everything looks right, select the small circle, the big circle, and the trapezoid, and group them together. Now we can animate it. Head over to the Animations tab and apply a spin animation. The reason we added that big circle is because it acts as the rotation pivot point. Without it, the needle won't rotate correctly. After applying the animation, give your needle any style or color you prefer. And finally, set the big circle to no fill and no outline so it stays completely invisible. And just like that, your animated needle is ready to go. Now, let's build the actual speedometer. For this demo, I'm creating a half speedometer with 4 partitions. Insert a circle and size it the way you want. Then add a thin rectangle. Make its width very small and its height longer than the circle's diameter, and align it vertically to the center. Duplicate this rectangle 5 times, so you have 6 in total. Rotate them at 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, and 150 degrees to create the partition markers. Align everything to the center and middle. Then go to Merge Shapes and choose Fragment. Delete the unwanted pieces, and you'll be left with a clean half dial. Format it however you like. Now bring the dial and the needle onto the same slide. Open the animation pane. Right-click the spin animation, open Effect Options, set it to full spin, and select Custom Angle. The rotation formula is simple, percentage value multiplied by the maximum angle. For a half speedometer, the max angle is 180 degrees. So if you want to show 83%, multiply 0.83 by 180 to get about 150 degrees and enter that as your spin angle. Also, you can adjust other setting parameters like smooth start, smooth end, and bounce end. I highly recommend to use any of these settings in your presentation. You can reuse this pointer in various types of speedometers like these. If you want a tutorial on these speedometer templates I showed, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tricks.